Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Microsoft Edge on iPhone. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, first thing first that you have to do, you have to go to the Microsoft Edge app on your iPhone. Here you are, I'm gonna open it right now. And now tap on the three dots menu on the bottom of your screen here. After that, select settings from the available option. Then on the app settings screen, look for the appearance option. Tap on it. And yeah, as you can see here, a view option, system default, light or dark. And if you want to enable the dark mode, just tap on the dark here. And yeah, as you can see now, it's changed to the dark mode. So to save it, you just have to tap on the done button at the top right in the corner of your screen here. I'm gonna tap on it now. And yeah, it's successful. So yeah guys, that's it. I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon in the next one and good luck.